Hello beautiful people, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. I am Sanchita and today we are diving into one of my favorite topics, skincare. If you are all about clear spotless skin which glows from within just like me, then you are in the right place. आज हम बात करेंगे about some affordable and viral pharmacy skincare products that I have been trying from past few months so that मैं ये वीडियो बना सकूं and अपना एक्सपीरियंस आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर सकूं। स्टार्ट करने से पहले एक डिस्क्लेमर, आई डू नॉट क्लेम टू बी अ डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट. I'm just a girl who has a problematic skin, so I tried few of the products from pharmacy जो बहुत ज़्यादा viral हो रहे थे इंटरनेट पे, and ever since I saw them, I had an urge to try them. Also, I will recommend you guys to do a patch test for these products before using them properly. Chalo now grab your cup of herbal tea, settle in and let's get started. फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट है ये बेंजोइल पेरोक्साइड 2.5%. If you have problem of having a pimple here or there, this product can help you. फेस पर, बॉडी पर जो एक्ने आ जाता है, दिस मेडिसिन वर्क्स ऑन दोज एरियाज. ये मेडिसिन एक्ने कॉजिंग बैक्टीरिया को किल कर देती है बेसिकली. हाउ टू यूज? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अपने फेस को वॉश कर लिया एंड अच्छे से ड्राई कर लिया. देन बेंजोइल पेरोक्साइड जेल को अपनी क्लीन फिंगर पे या कॉटन ईयरबड पे लेके आई विल अप्लाई इट ऑन द पिंपल लाइक अ स्पॉट ट्रीटमेंट. दैट्स इट. लीव इट एज इट इज ओवरनाइट. This product is going to considerably reduce the size of the pimple. But please note, this product can cause a little itchiness, stinging and peeling. Precautions: do not apply to damaged or broken skin जैसे कि कोई open scar, fresh cut, etc. होता है. Also avoid contact with your mouth, eyes and nose. Plus, this goes without saying, all of the products I'm mentioning in this video, please उसके बाद अगले दिन sunscreen जरूर use कर लेना. When you use any kind of chemical treatment on your face, it is very crucial to use sunscreen the next day, as sun exposure can ruin your skin, especially more after using any kind of chemical treatment. Coming back to the product, it really reduced the size of my pimple overnight. So 2 से 5 दिनों में it will definitely reduce the pimple to 0. Also depends on the size and severity. So on my skin it did actually work. So I will give it a thumbs up. Second product is also for pimples, but this one is a homeopathic ointment called Berberis Aquafolium Gel. ये प्रोडक्ट एक्चुअली मेरे डॉक्टर ने रिकमेंड किया था फॉर पिंपल्स, सो आई थॉट ऑफ इंक्लूडिंग इट इन दिस वीडियो. सो इफ यू हैव सेंसिटिव स्किन, कुछ इधर उधर मत देखना, जस्ट गो फॉर इट. समथिंग टू बी नोटेड, सिंस इट इज फॉर सेंसिटिव स्किन, जाहिर सी बात है ये थोड़ा माइल्ड ऑइंटमेंट है, सो इट विल वर्क कंपैरेटिवली स्लोअर. इसे भी सिमिलरली यूज करना है लाइक आई यूज द प्रीवियस वन. I will apply the gel only on the pimple like a spot treatment and leave it overnight. All in all, I will recommend this product as well. Third and मेरे favorite product की बात कर लेते हैं, which is glycolic acid. Now that ordinary glycolic toner is getting so viral on the internet lately. This is just in a form of cream or gel, but costs fraction of the ordinary toner. This product claims to be an all-in-one treatment for your pimples, pimple marks, and any kind of pigmentation on your face and body. Okay, out of all the products I have or I am going to show in this video, this is a product which has shown me the results so visibly fast, like it's unreal. So since I told you that I used to have a lot of pimples, those pimples used to leave such evident and stubborn dark spots on my face. पिंपल मार्क्स नहीं अच्छे लगते यार, प्लस फेड होने में 1 month और मोर लग जाता था उन्हें. बट दिस होली ग्रेल विल रिड्यूस द टाइम स्पैन ऑफ 1 month टू लिटरली 1 week. Just 1 week. Yes, it works that fast and that well. I sometimes also use it when I notice darkness around other parts of my body like underarms, knees, elbows, etc. But next day, make sure to wear sunscreen. That's the part you must not forget. So what this product basically do is it mildly removes the top layer of dead skin cells, and because of that, this product also claims to reduce tanning from the skin. But Like I have already mentioned, do a patch test before trying any of the products I am telling you about in this video. I use glycolic acid twice in a week, not more than that, and I absolutely love it. So giving it a thumbs up. दोनों हाथों से. Okay, so if you are on a hunt of a good moisturizer which is lightweight and at the same time moisturizing for your face and body, this product is for you. Let me take you a few months back when I was on a hunt of good moisturizer for my face. I was already using aloe vera gel at that time as a moisturizer, but वो मेरी skin को बहुत tacky as in चिपचिपा कर रहा था. So I came across few reviews about this pharmacy product called Emulene. Looking at the condition of the tube, you can clearly make out how much I love using this product. Okay, so weather change ke during my skin was becoming very flaky dry, and since I have to do makeup so often, my makeup was not sitting very well on my skin. Then I got this baby and it reduced the dry patches within 2 to 3 uses. Emulene works quite like hyaluronic acid. It acts as a humectant by attracting moisture to the skin and consequently providing hydration. And literally look at the texture. It shouldn't even be called a cream. इस moisturizer का gel formula will literally melt into the skin, leaving it supple and healthy. So I will definitely recommend it. Okay, last but not the least, Cozy Tear soap. ये प्रोडक्ट इतना वायरल हो रहा था इंटरनेट पे एंड आई वाज वंडरिंग हाउ कैन अ सोप बी सो इफेक्टिव दैट पीपल आर रेविंग अबाउट इट अंटिल आई गॉट इट टू ट्राई. अब आई वाज लाइक कि सिर्फ फेस को ही थोड़ी चमकाते रहेंगे, वी गॉट टू ट्राई समथिंग फॉर बॉडी आल्सो. दिस सोप क्लेम्स टू ब्राइटन द स्किन, reduce blemishes and hyperpigmentation, exfoliate the skin, remove dead skin cells, etc. etc. Glad to inform you, it does work on all those areas. Well, for the first time in my life, I was suffering from acne, as in मेरी back पे बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे bumps and pimples हो गए थे. When I used this product, it really removed all the acne from my back, and at the same time even removed, not only reduced, but removed the marks that acne leaves. My back is literally completely clean and problem free now. Also, there was a dark sunburn patch right here at my back. This really helped me to considerably reduce that as well. As in, ये patch पहले बहुत बड़ा होता था, अब इतना सा patch रह गया है. I hope ये भी बहुत जल्दी ठीक हो जाएगा. Also, I was really very conscious about my dark knees. I tried using glycolic acid on them, but consistent नहीं हो पा रही थी. But this is so easy to use, बस shower gel की replacement है, and it did reduce the pigmentation on my knees as well. This soap basically has kojic acid, glutathione, vitamin C, alpha-butane, vitamin E, etc. And all these ingredients help in reducing pigmentation on skin. जबरदस्ती मैंने ये सोप मम्मी और दीदी को भी यूज करने बोला, and even they saw great results. So I will give this product also a thumbs up. Well, I was lucky that all these products did actually work for me. I'm feeling lucky also because ये सारे ही products जो market में actives वाले serums आते हैं, उनसे बहुत ज़्यादा comparatively सस्ते हैं and effective है, I must say. I really enjoyed using all these products in my daily and weekly skincare regime, and I'm definitely going to continue using them for a great healthy looking skin. I hope you found these reviews helpful, and now you can also finally decide कि आपको ये products खरीदने चाहिए या नहीं. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you want me to try and review any other product. I would love to try it and review it for you. Thank you for watching this video and supporting my efforts and work. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such fun and helpful videos. I will see you guys again another time. Till then, bye.